It is time for part 2 of the Dollar Tree holiday videos. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet. You guys, there's so many things hitting the shelves right now, getting ready for the holidays. So in this video, we're gonna walk up and down the aisles looking for the new things. We got holiday, we have crafts, we have office, we have toys, lots of new things. Let's go. In this Dollar Tree shop with me, I went to 7 different stores to make sure I found it all. And I did, you guys. This Dollar Tree shop with me is mega finds, mega jackpot, mega gems. Starting off with some decorations. They've brought all the bows out. Definitely a good find. I like the velvet ones myself. The Christmas Village pieces are also back. These are a great find, but I do believe you can buy the whole set online. So definitely check there if you're missing some pieces. The candy canes are back. We see these every single year. And then of course, a whole bunch of signage that really rivals Hobby Lobby or Michael's. A lot of the party wear, tableware starting to show up too. I found some of these napkins. They're probably going to have matching paper plates to go with it. We have some gnomes over here that are Christmas themed. Holiday mugs are coming, and these letters are back too. You can decorate these and hang them as ornaments in a letter of your choice. We also will start to see a whole bunch of stocking stuffers like these pinball machines. The cookie cutters are back. The erasers are back. In another store, I found them even more stocked. The paddle balls are definitely a tradition from Dollar Tree, as are the mini notebooks. I see these every single year, in fact every single different holiday season. And we have pencils that are all Christmas themed. These are also really cute for classroom give outs. Got some Christmas themed tablecloths and some of those whack-a-packs where you pop it and a little balloon will come out. New this year is this tulle skirt, which I actually think is meant to wear, not for a Christmas tree. These little light up nose are so adorable. We had them for our little ones when they were younger. We have the Christmas themed glasses, reindeer, Christmas tree, and Santa Claus. The bracelet bells are also good for those preschoolers in a music lesson or singing a song. And then here are a whole bunch of the party trays in a whole bunch of different styles. We have the headbands for elves and Santa hats, and then the ones that have the reindeer, snowman, and the Santa Claus on them. The regular Santa hats and the velour, and then the ones that have the sequence that flips into a different color. This year, these actually seem to be a decent quality. Lots of different choices on these, but these definitely do go much faster. So if you want one, get one now. Tons of holiday socks. These are the fluffy ones. They're extra fluffy. And then we have some gift card give bag. They are in the shape of a stocking, although I don't think a lot of them look like they were stocking shape. So just maybe check them out. They look more like mittens if you ask me. Then we have the LED light set. Every single year Dollar Tree brings these back. They come in a couple of different styles and you can try them out right in the store. We have the light and sound Santa, and then some more lights down here. I actually think these are the cutest too, especially with the truck and the little Christmas tree on top. The lanterns are back this year in green and Christmas tree. This little projector looked pretty cool, but it also looked a little beat up, so not too sure about that. We also have the LED projector night lights that plug into a wall and then they will project onto a wall, different scenes. The wrapping paper, definitely a good find. It's not the thickest wrapping paper you'll ever find, but they do have some really good prints. It's not a lot. It's like about 25 square feet per roll, but it also has a lot of fun different characters on it. Did find some metallicized gift wrap, and then check out all of the solar decor. We have the ones that look like Christmas lights. We have the ones that are on stakes and look like Christmas lights too. And then of course we have the Santa, reindeer, elf, Christmas tree, and snowman ones too. These are little felt hanging items that you can move in different positions that came in as Santa, elf, and snowman. And then we have some really fun flora decorations to make some wreaths with, a lot of different berries and a whole bunch of different wreath forms along with the ribbons to go with it in all sorts of different colors. So if you don't see this in your holiday section, check the craft section. You might find some there. We have some bay leaves, which are also really great for those leaf fillers, and they came in a couple of different colors. Save that red too for Valentine's Day. I did show you in my last video a whole bunch of the new craft things, so if you missed that video, you have to watch it because I put a lot of detail in that video of all these craft things. But what is new since that video are these little masks that you can paint. There was a reindeer, snowman, and a Santa Claus. And then they also had some new signs since my last video, and Peace and Mary, which you can paint and decorate too. Some new ribbons since that last video. I wanted to make sure I showed you lots of different patterns. And then they even had some new craft items like these pom-poms in in the Christmas colors, and they also had them kind of like in a glittery color too. This craft kit I don't think was here last time. It's a little paper plate craft to make a reindeer. You can make several from one kit, as well as the Santa ornament kit. Stockings are a plenty too. This comes with two, one for maybe a stuffed animal. We have the flip sequence ones. They usually match the Santa hats. And then you can also get the wreath holders here, but I don't think these are as sturdy as some that you might find at Target or Home Depot. Garland is a plenty, and this comes in 9 feet sections. It is a little bit thinner, not as full as something you might get at a different store, but they had several different colors and styles. They even had some that had little things hanging off of them, like the little Christmas tree lights here in different colors. Also in this section, you can find the wired garland, which is really great because it's bendable and moldable. If you give wine out, they had the wine gift bags out in a couple different styles. Definitely like the burlap ones. Just make sure your stamp on the front of it is facing the right direction. I've seen these come upside down before, not so good. Giant gift sacks for those extra large presents or to put a whole bunch of little presents in. We have the Christmas trees back in white and green. Get 2 of them and put them together and you'll have an extra full tree. And then while you're there, don't forget to look around for the ornaments that can go with these. Dollar Tree has brought them out now. There's smaller ornaments for your normal regular tree, but then you can also find smaller ones that go on the trees that Dollar Tree have. They bring these back every single year. This is also a really good activity for preschoolers who might want to decorate their own tree. It's a really good size and you can find some really cute ornaments for it. These little gift tags are really cute too. They're ornaments, but they look like gift tags, and some of them had little bells in them. We have the Advent countdown calendars where you can count down the days to Christmas. There was a snowman, Santa, and a reindeer. It has a little felt piece on the front where you can move the dot to every single day when you're counting down. In the baking section, we have some little ice cube trays, baking cups, and baking boxes. I know these go really, really fast because they're a really great value. And if you're looking for activities for kids, they also have these giant coloring books, a couple different styles, regular size coloring books, and a whole bunch of different themes. And then they had activity books that include stickers. So these are great travel activities if you're going to go anywhere for the holidays. If you want something to do in the car, something to do at a restaurant, these would be perfect. So you get a little set of stickers and then some activities inside the book. This set had a couple of different themes. So you can get one of each and be plenty busy throughout the holidays. They did also have storybooks and a couple of different themes. I found a Blippi one. I was looking to see if they had different storylines, but it looks like these were all the same in this particular box. Then we had these Merry Mermaid activity books. This is coloring and sticker activity. Also came in My Fun Christmas Holiday. Inside, once again, you have some sticker activities and some pages to color and some other pages to do other kinds of activities like mazes. Only in one store did I find the mats, the doormats, and they had about maybe 3 or 4 different styles in this, but I only saw it in one store, so I don't think there's a lot of these out there. We have some more containers for all of those treats. These are also great to wrap gifts in. I particularly like the Santa buckle one. These up here are really nice looking. They're plastic, but they look like glass or acrylic. And then we have more socks too. The socks usually will come in child, baby, and adult, so you just have to poke around to see which one will work for you. We have a Santa scarf that looks like a Santa hat, but in a scarf form. And then we have some more ornaments. These mini ornaments are pretty much at Dollar Tree year after year after year. I feel like I have seen them since the beginning of time. Gift bags are coming on the shelves too. Look at all the different styles. I usually get my gift bags at Dollar Tree, even if they're for like a birthday or a different holiday. Pool noodles for a lot of people who like to do crafts. They have the holiday colors. Speaking of crafts, let's move on to the craft section where we have some new jewelry findings. If you like to make jewelry, they have different sets here that have different things inside of them. They come in both silver and gold. I don't think we've seen these at Dollar Tree before, so they were a really good find. So you have earring finds, bracelet, and necklace finds. Some new paintable items. There was a rainbow here and then this other plaque. I think these are meant to put different vinyl decorations on, maybe. Some of these were also meant to paint. Some really pretty stickers if you're into card making or even scrapbooking still. They have a whole selection of really large 3-dimensional stickers. Really like these avocados for some reason, so I wanted to make sure I showed you those. They were really cute. Some really pretty butterflies that look like watercolors, and then even some wooden cutouts that had sayings on them, which would be really pretty on cards too. They look like they're laser cut. Also new was this DIY crochet animal, and I only saw it in one, the teddy bear, so I don't know if there's other of these kits around. You guys will have to let me know if you've seen them. Organization is amazing right now at Dollar Tree. Look at these. They're all flexible containers containers. I saw kind of this blue and this gray. They come two to a pack for the long ones, but this one was definitely amazing. This one has several different containers that fit into one container, so you can divide it up to suit your needs. One store only had the blue containers and they had the main one. Don't forget to get the lid. Has little side handles too, which I think is amazing. And then this little containers will fit inside and you can design it how you need it or how you want it, which I think is amazing to have all the different containers to do it. So this store had the blue and pink, but I went to a third store. They had the containers there too, but they also had some different options. The blue and that pinky coral one, which are two different sizes, plus they had the gray one, which I hadn't seen before. So the gray one is amazing too because it's the largest one. So you can get a combination of these. They come several to a package, and design your container dividers how you want them. I rarely go into the party section, but I was there recently and I found some new finds. We have a whole bunch of different party banners. Some of these you can customize, some of them are cut out. We have some inflatable headbands, which was a pretty interesting find. I found the bunny rabbit. I have found some more in just a second. I'm going to show you what those look like. We have some wall murals, which are great for taking pictures or covering a large space at a party. The fringe banners in a couple different styles, which are great to hang in a doorway. Here's some more of those inflatable headbands. The panda would have gone home with me when I had a panda party. We also have the koala and a unicorn. Not quite sure if these really stay on, but I thought they were interesting. Moving on to the office supplies, we have some new pencil grips and a whole bunch of really pretty colors. We also have some new pencils from Jot. These have cats on them. There's also a unicorn, I believe. I know these are super popular with the kids, which also make a really good stocking stuffer. There's the koala in the back. Really, really cute. Now, do you remember those container sets that I showed you a few Dollar Tree shop with me's? Well, now they have them in the clear. Our requests have been heard by the Dollar Tree gods. Love, love, love these. I found 3 different sizes. You can really customize a drawer that way. Some new dry erase marker colors, which we haven't seen in a long time. Normally, we just have the basic colors of the dry erase markers that come like this. So it's nice to see some different colors. Some really cute paper clips that had little tassels on them. And then we also saw some new Jot pens. These have floating things inside of them, which is really hard to tell. I was trying to show you the glitter one. It just moves really, really slow. This one had glitter. The other one had something else that I couldn't really tell what it was, but the glitter one seemed to be the best. Some new pencils that are inspirational. This one was a bee theme. They also had a space one about being a star and some fruit, all with inspirational messages on them. This was actually in the craft section, but I think it should be in the toy section. They are cord holder craft kits and a couple of different styles. I think the sloth one is the cutest, gives you all the materials to make a cord holder. Then we have these new scratch activity kits that have several different pages. You scratch off to work your way through the maze or do the dot game. This came in 2 different styles, but the games seem to be pretty similar in each one of the packages. So just take a look and see what they have because they seem to be all very similar, just slightly different on the theme. Also new were these robot finger fighters. So you put them on your finger and work them like little fighting robots. And then I couldn't believe I found this, but it was only in one store. It is Compound King's slime. This stuff is name brand. This stuff is more expensive in larger stores. So if your child likes slime and you think it's expensive, this is a really good price for some really cool slime. It's name brand, you guys. In the automotive section, I finally found these little viral cup holders where you can put different things in there, like your sandwich or french fries and your drink, and it goes into your cup holder. Also found this car seat pocket. It looks kind of small, but anyone try this? Does it work? Is it nice? It will fall apart. I need to know. This is a Planet box. It is a stainless steel dipper container with a lid that is leak proof. Love this. I think it's a one-off Dollar Tree find. They also have the little pieces that go on the bottom of a water bottle to help protect it. Moving on to some toys, we have the figurine animals and they come in new packages now. So instead of the long plastic tubes, you can find them in these bags and they have a bigger selection. Lots to choose from here. These are great to go into sensory bins for just playing around with. Definitely get the full set and you will be good to go, especially if you like to make those Play-Doh dough kits like I do. There is still a little bit of Halloween left, so if you haven't gotten a costume, you might want to check to see what there is. Also a little bit of Thanksgiving left, not very much. I definitely wanted to mention some of the new finds that I haven't seen before, like these little stickers here, and including these little containers that are reusable baggies, but they're in that little fall theme. Every store is a little bit different. Some had more than others, but but there are still some Halloween and Thanksgiving finds out there. If you like this video, I'm going to put part 1 up here on the screen and another video that I think you'll like. I will see you over there next. Make sure to click subscribe to see another video like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.